A studio bet everything on one project and still succeeded with the wrong project. A senior executive at Electronic Arts, Patrick Sutherland, left the company in August 2018. 3 months later, in November, he founded his own studio called Embark. The first thing he did was an extreme engineering challenge. He asked his new team, hey, how can we make games 10 times faster? And then he thought about it and said, no. How do we make games 100 times faster? The team was stunned, but as it was full of DEC veterans, they took on the challenge by betting on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and procedural generation. They used these tools to accelerate the development of 2 particular projects. The main project was called Arc Raiders. It was a cooperative PvE shooter. The second project was just an experiment called Project Discovery. The technology worked, and the secondary project, which eventually became the finals, ended up being a resounding success. But the main project was a disaster. They had to delay the game and radically transform it. The team understood that pure PvE lacked sufficient content and depth to keep players engaged. They decided to transform the game into a PvP, PvE, PvC extraction shooter or something like that, adding other players as part of the threat. And so one of this year's most relevant multiplayer games was born.